In this video, I am going to show you how to update or add your address on Etsy. First thing you need to do is to browse through Etsy, and when you find an item you'd like to purchase, click on Add to Cart. Access your cart by clicking on the cart icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Here, you can review the items you've added. Click on Proceed to Checkout if you're on the website, or go to Checkout on the Etsy app. Just sign in if you're not signing in, and then under Choose a Shipping Address, you can enter a new address by selecting Add an Address or choose one from the previously used addresses. After choosing your address, click Ship Here to confirm your shipping choice. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.